Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. So if you are someone new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then hit on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. So guys, today I'm here to review a product which is one of the most talked about product in almost everyone's haul videos. Literally everyone is purchasing this product and I am almost about to finish this product actually. So I thought let me share a review about this product. So yes, here I am. This is the bio oil that I want to share the review about. So this is a 125 ml product, which is one of the product that is recommended by it's called as the specialist skincare oil. This one comes in a box. It was almost a year ago that I purchased this oil, well, for a different purpose, but that purpose couldn't be served actually. So I started using this almost a month, I think almost about 2 months ago. So yes, here I am about to finish this product, like 1 or 2 days I'll just finish it off. So before that I thought of sharing the review of this product with you guys. So what this brand claims, first let me tell about the price of this product. 125 ml of the product costs 700 rupees. But I think it's always on discount on almost all the websites. You would get it somewhere around 600 rupees. I will provide the link of this product in the description box below so that you can just check out the product price and all that if you want to. So coming to the next point, what this product claims. It claims that it helps to get rid of the scar marks, and it also helps you get rid of stretch marks. It could be due to pregnancy or due to some extra weight gains. Usually close to your arms and all underarms you have that stretch marks, so you can use this oil to get rid of that. And uneven skin tone, in case you have some uneven skin tone, it get rid of that. Then aging and dehydrated skin, it helps. So if you have signs of aging, you can use this. So yes, that's what it claims. And what are the ingredients that is included? It has paraffinium liquidum. It is not free from paraffin, guys. Paraben, sulfates, it's not free from all of those. In addition to that, it also has retinol, due to which you get these anti-aging properties. It contains all other products, which is too scientific to talk about. Of course, we are not scientists discussing about something. All we are concerned is about if a product works on us or it doesn't. So yes, I had to use it. I thought of using it because of, as you can see, I have a few pimple marks on my face. So I thought of using it just in case. It says it helps you get rid of scars, so I thought of using it. But the first time I used it, I thought of introducing it to my night skincare routine. So the first time I used it, I had an itching feeling on my face, but still I thought of giving it a second try. So I just applied the second time. Even the second time it felt the same. Talking about the texture of this product, guys, it's very watery kind of oil. Oh my god. So yes, this is a very watery texture what this oil has. And yes, it blends well towards the skin. It's not a very sticky oil. I could say it's very helpful. But first thing, let me tell you, this is how the bottle comes and this is how you can use the oil. You have to pin a hole over here using a safety pin or anything. You have to do a hole over here and then you can use this product. So I have been using, but it was not easy getting the oil out of that hole, guys. Let me tell you, it was quite difficult to get that oil outside. So and it's very liquidy, so I wouldn't say it's a very travel friendly pack. Well, that was what I had to tell about the bottle. Now speaking about how it worked on my skin, on my face, first I had an itching sensation, so I thought of trying it on my hand. I have a few marks, if you could see, it's over here, and yes, I don't have an even skin tone on my hands. So instead of a moisturizer, I thought of using this on my hands and legs. I would say it didn't do anything. Literally a whole bottle of the product is over. I used it for 2 months. Usually a product starts to show its results within within 20 days is what the scientific proven thing is. But this product, I used it for 2 months, but nothing happened to my skin. All the marks just remain the way they are. So I would say it is not worth the hype that is being created everywhere. Literally everyone's haul video includes bio oil in it. So I would say it's not that great for oil, as in what the way they, and the price. Oh my god, the price is too high for this 125 ml of the product, and you get just 125 ml for 700 rupees, which is a lot actually. So I wouldn't recommend this product to someone who wants to buy it, but then it's up to you. If you want to try it, you could try it. Always what we feel is something that is expensive is actually good for us, but that's not actually the truth. So yes guys, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and then hit on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. And guys, please do subscribe to my channel. Your subscription means a lot to me. It's very important that you subscribe, because my channel would grow only if there are a particular number by the end of this year. So that's the reason I need 1,000 subscribers. So please do share it with your family, friends, whoever possible guys. Your support means a lot to me. I would be ever grateful to you for that. So yes guys, that's it for today. Until my next video, take care, bye bye, love you all.